Would you like to know how to turn 2 hours a day into a profitable, rejection-free online business? Guys, I'm a boomer. I'm in my 70s. I have no tech. And for 13 and a half years, I've been looking for systems that are done for me that I can help my people with. Because way back when I was laid off my last job at the age of 61, I thought I had no dementia. I am not a frump. I should be able to go and get another job. They don't want you because there's 3 things they look for. They look for number 1, how long are you going to be healthy enough to keep working? And number 2, oh, I'm going to have to pay them more money because they have more experience, right? And number 3, oh, they're not going to be contributing to our company pension plan for very long. And I'm going to be obligated to pay them a pension for I don't know how many years after they turn 65. That's the 3 key things that the businesses are thinking about. It's all about dollars and cents, guys. It's not about what the what your age is, really. Age is sort of in the background, but they look at all those other things, right? And I worked as a consultant for a local college when I lived out in British Columbia for several years. And my job was to work with 32 different businesses each year. And I had to make an appointment to meet with each one of those businesses every month throughout the 10-month program to make sure that they implemented everything that they were learning in the program into their own business. So I learned a lot about running business and the things that are required. And you know what the main thing most businesses are missing? The main thing. Do you know what that is? A marketing plan. Guys, I can't tell you how many businesses I've met with who have no marketing plan. They're just going to put an ad in the paper and sit and wait for the phone to ring, or they're going to get the phone book and start phoning phone numbers in the phone book. That was how they were doing that was their marketing plan, right? There was none of this trying to figure out, and people are doing that today. They're getting into business and they have no idea how to set up a marketing plan, how to find your perfect customer, and how to market to your perfect customer. And they don't know that they need to have an email list. If you don't have an email list today, you do not have a business. And this program that I found a year ago is fabulous because it teaches you how to build an email list, guys. Yeah, and once you've got your email list, then you can just message your email list and keep on building your email list, right? And people still keep on coming into your email list on a regular basis. And that's the key to marketing your business these days. So this program that I found is that there's 4 different programs you can choose from. There's a 100, a 300, a 600, and a 900. The 900 gives you access to 4 automated 4 automated income streams. The 600 gives you access to 3 automated income streams with using email. And the 300 gives you access to 2 automated income streams, and the 100 gives you access to 1 automated income stream. They all give you the email automations that you need to be able to run your business, right? So if you've already got a business, it can be a conventional business, a bricks and mortar business, it can be an MLM business, whatever business you've got, this program is what you need. You need to have these email automations that you can just set up on your computer and have it run automatically for you day and night and bring you new customers. Great. Guys, I can't stress enough how important it is to have an email list. So here's what's happened. I've been working for 13 and a half years with people, coaching them on LinkedIn, helping people who are over 50. All my people are over 50 that have been coming to me for help, right? And most of those people are over 60. So why is that? Why? Why are they building another business? It's because the pensions are so small in Canada that like the average pension is about $1,300 a month, okay? The average rent for a 1-bedroom is over $2,000 a month in Canada, okay? In Edmonton here, close to where we live in the little town of Kalmar, the 1-bedroom apartment, depending on where you're living in the city, could be anywhere from 1,600 to 2,000 a month, right? Just in that city. I was talking to a couple in Toronto. They're paying over 5,000 a month for a 1-room box. I have friends that are living in Vancouver who are paying over 3,300 a month for a 1-room box. Guys, these are numbers that are true that I have found out about. And so you need to do some research and figure out what you're going to do for your retirement. So I look for things that are done for me and you. And this program is 90% done. All you have to do for the last 10% is connect it up to your own computer system, right? And when you join this program, when you buy one of these programs, any one of these 4 programs, the 1, the 3, the 6, or the 900, you can get free access to our digital growth community, which has tons and tons of training in. And we have daily training. Like, who does that? Who else? I've never seen anybody else do that, right? And I've been in a ton of network marketing businesses. And so if you're looking for a way to boost your pension, and if you're still in your 50s and you have a job that you're going to on a regular basis, you're sitting on tender hooks here, because the chances of you keeping that job are really slim to none, because people in their 50s are being laid off their jobs. And if you don't want to be laid off your job and have no money, like no investments, no savings, nothing, you need to think again, because we need to be prepared. When I was laid off my job at 61, shortly after that, my husband lost his job. We had savings, guys, but it wasn't enough. You need to have equivalent to what it would cost to buy a house, or a house all totally paid for, right? So that you have something that you can leverage to be able to feed your faces and feed your family. So this is so important to think about this. Think about the future and stop living paycheck to paycheck, guys, and supplement your income. I call it boost your pension. Whether you've still got a job or you're a pensioner already, we need to boost our pensions. And so if you're sitting in your lazy boy recliner and you're saying, oh, woe is me, what am I going to do? Ah, come on, get out of your lazy boy, guys, and start doing something for yourself. Stop depending on the government to help you for everything. Yes, we have to get busy and think outside the box a little bit and build our own retirement, right? Even if you've got this little retirement, you can do this. I'm doing it, guys, and I'm not made 100K yet, but I will. I'm on the road to it, right? So we've got 3.5, not quite 3.5, but a little over 3 months, 3 months and a week left in this year, right? And you can get going and get some tech help from our website and get everything set up on your computer, and you'll be able to be off to the races and start supplementing your income or your pension, whichever it is you want to talk about. That's what it is. And there's a special blueprint that we're given in this program. It's the legacy program, and it's a 6-figure blueprint teaching you how to make 6 figures in 90 days. So if you could do that, what would that do to change your life? Put info in the comments below and I'll get it over to you.